Home Depot sales. Look at my tired face. Oh.
Hey, can we see if those planters have been marked up so they can be put on sale again?
I bet you they have been.
It is stupid early.
Yeah, this is what happens when you get up at like 6 o'clock in the morning to do a Friday video.
Sponsored by Not Monster. Just kidding. Monster
I know,
sponsor
yeah.
us.
Hit us up in the DMs. We're going to go in because I've seen PACKOUT stuff. I've seen those bit cases. I've seen a bunch of stuff. So let's go inside. You see the deal. Do you see it? But the sucky part is I don't have the Raptor anymore, so it's not like I can walk up to him and be like, yo, what's up, Milwaukee guy? But, hook up other up. But okay, I've been trying to decipher this for 6 hours now, and Jen is
I think it's because you haven't had any caffeine
informing me that this is separate, but right, it says really big, free battery, but then it says newer, lower price.
They're just trying to let the people know.
When you buy one of these tools, okay, but tell me, unless you buy this, how are you going to charge that battery? Because none of those kits come with
that. Well, and that battery is literally just a battery.
Right. So, granted, it's $179 now, but I mean that's a good price. I guess it's an XC60.
So why are they saying? Oh, that's because that one's an 8 and that one's a 6.
Right.
I thought they were both 8s, and I was confused.
But so the 60 right here is $179. It is marked that way. It's funny, right? It was $199. So they're doing all those crazy numbers, but I mean you are getting a deal. And for $49 more, you can go from an 8 to a 12. But the free one is the 8. The sucky part is like I said, none of those include those chargers. But it is still a good deal. So let's walk over to the PACKOUT walls and all those boxes.
Can you me stop?
Are you recording? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't mind cutting.
I'll just leave it rolling and then it'll be easier to edit. I think that's his cart.
Okay, well, I'm trying to make it. So.
Okay.
And we're blocked everywhere else, so. Oh.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I'm gonna.
Okay.
So we're back to the little 3-stack setup, right? Top one, $79. It's still $10 more than pre-COVID costs. But then, if we do these things up at the top, you spend $200, get the 50 off, $299, get the 90 off, $399, get the 150, which will bring that stack back down to what you're at. It's funny, now that the new backpack's out, that backpack's only $49. Sorry, I didn't read that right. $129, but they usually were $149. But the really nice backpack, what's that thing? $250?
$319.
She always sets me straight.
That's because it doesn't include lube, and after $200, it needs to include a side of lube.
Did
for
you
what
see
it
what
is.
was over here? Did you know we have one of these showing up in the mail pretty soon?
The fan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I reached out to my friends over at Ohio Power Tool, and we got to design a misting kit for the PACKOUT version of the fan, and why not? So you can see that's the PACKOUT deal, but of course Ryobi's doing the typical buy one of these kits, get a free tool. It's good, TTI, not to be confused. I love it, It's funny how even Vince over at VCG was doing it like, it's a misconception. Yes, we all know Milwaukee and Ryobi. It's not the same company. It's owned by the same company. That's like the same as saying sisters. Okay, but here's one of the bigger ones, right? Buy one of these kits, get one free tool. So, again, always joking around about the 5-amp power kits because Milwaukee has a warehouse that must not have gotten wiped out by a hurricane. Or a non-fuel or a fuel, and then boom, now you can get one of these, which of course, if you're smart, you're always going to try to get the most expensive one. Because why, when you can get a free tool, would you get the the cheaper one. But you know, that's sort of how I think.
Maybe you don't need the expensive tool. Maybe you need the cheaper tool.
I guess that's true. But you know, if you need a cheaper tool, here we are, perfect segue.
I'm gonna need you
DeWalt
to lay off my yellow.
I mean, they do
It
have.
has its place.
The new fan has an infinite dial.
The new fan is done right the first time. It's really wild.
Is it tough compatible? ToughSystem compatible?
I
like
don't know, because you haven't designed it yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Maybe I need to work on that. So we're doing buy one kit, you know, get free tool as well. And
we have filament that matches DeWalt
we
yellow.
do have
just
filament
saying.
that matches.
So like, you know, if you like DeWalt yellow, even if you don't like DeWalt, if you like that color, we can absolutely make your bins that color. It's pretty. I love it.
Makita, we can talk about Makita more because they're going to have a PACKOUT competitor, Max Track something, I think it's called. Max.
Oh yeah.
It's the
That
double-ended.
multi-way-
It's the double-ended PACKOUT. That's all I know. It's the double-ended PACKOUT. But let's look at some of these little
I love that you just walked right by Rigid. Hello, little orange boxes in the corner.
I mean, yeah.
You matter too.
Emerson. I did my research. It's like Emerson Electric. Yeah. It's not what I thought. But look. Let's get these right. Okay. These are actually we like this. We really do like this. So come here. Look at this. Okay. So this is a PACKOUT. Somebody's already slightly opened it for us again. Right. So now with the new shockwave cases, if you flip the lid open, or if you hold it flat, you can fit it inside of a PACKOUT. It's not as cool in my mind. Maybe I'm a little biased to the 3D printed option. So if you
At
want
least
to,
they finally came up with an in-house solution.
if you want to do the 3D printed option, look at this, 90-piece set. And I saw
These are on like super sale, aren't they?
these are on super sale. Yes, they
The 60s
definitely
are right there.
definitely don't have a
listed
price on this. I'll try to add it on the video, but
It's $49.88 for the 90-piece.
No.
Oh, wrong.
that's a different setup. No, that's the new.
Oh,
This
that's
is-
the driver. My bad.
Well, here, yeah, and the part number is different,
Yeah,
But
wow.
this-
Look at me. My name is Jake, and I know things.
right? Look at these. See, they're just in these little injection molded. Okay, and then all you need to do is hop over to shop.jakeofall.com, and we have a bin set that will work with this. It's based on the 100-piece set. It's 10 pieces. It'll still work just great, but you'll get little rectangular bins and
Or
holders.
squares, if that's
Just-
what you want.
what?
Or squares.
Or squares. Yeah. But look more. Sockets. They got the little mini one again. The little mini set. We love that. 5 amp hours. Tell me I'm not lying. So, you know, tool choice. They're doing it on M12 too. Some of the Home Depots, someone posted a picture of the 100-piece set for
Like crazy deal.
$49. So if you guys have that, comment below. I want to know which Home Depots have that. Let's see what else we got going on.
I'm so distracted by everything, I forget that I'm recording.
3.0 packs, $79. They have, yep, here it is. That's the new Bluetooth. It's
PACKOUT
funny.
radio?
These speakers can link to each other, okay? They have a little hook to hang on the side of your
So
cart.
you can rickroll the whole job site?
So you can rickroll the job site, but guess what they don't do?
Sit on your PACKOUT?
They don't. They're not PACKOUT compatible.
Oh, it's almost like
Again.
you know a guy who could fix that.
Right? But, like, does anyone believe me about the 5.0 batteries? They got a lot of 5.0 batteries. Also, I saw something really cool PACKOUT, well, Shockwave, that was over in the electrical aisle. I want to show you that because this thing's going to fit in your PACKOUT, so let's go over there real quick. All right, as always, I got distracted again. Here they, okay. We're going to talk about this, we really will, but check this out. This is a cute little deal. So these are usually $29 for the PACKOUT bracket, right? And this one comes
Oh, it comes together. I was like,
yep, it's the tool.
they really thought you'd take that
It's
laying
the
down?
tool caddy, right? So it's got the lower compartment for the Shockwave, tape measures, you name it, upper compartment chargers, and then drills, any kinds of tools can go in there. And it's got the new style bracket with the bottom rail, right? This chainsaw, I'm just gonna put this out here. I know we don't need one, but we do have woods in our backyard, and look at how tiny it is, and it's an M18.
Okay.
Just saying, that's
You don't have to justify it if you want it. We can get it.
like, that's a nice chainsaw. We should get that one.
Okay.
But let's do it. Let's appease the people. Okay. This is pretty cool. Now, this store doesn't have it on rollers, but this, I believe it's called the DXL, which there's so many jokes I could make about that. But this thing, if you look, this is the ToughSystem attached to the top of a unit. Like, I'm gonna move this so she can show the side. So it's going perpendicular to the direction that the ToughSystem usually uses, and it gives you this giant job site roller, which big wheels, great to roll it, get it out of the bed of your vehicle.
It's like a very large cart.
Exactly, and the thing is this large cart, you could take almost all of your stack into a job site. But look at this, you're gonna have massive drawers, massive. I mean, these things
They're sturdy.
are huge, they're sturdy, lots of dividers, depth.
They have
Price?
a really neat worktop too.
Right, the price for this system though, all stacked up, does get pretty expensive, but it's double the size of a ToughSystem. So here, look, this is a worktop, and look at what they're doing. I'll turn the picture for you guys. Okay, so that's gonna clip on top, but you could put a bunch of tough boxes underneath this and then clip the worktop on
And
it.
it's got cup holders.
And it's the little things, right?
Right.
Okay. I mean, we have the fan that you love, which we have the misting kit for. Of course, we have Ryobi over here bragging that we already have misting kits.
Look at their vacuum attaches to a bucket.
I know. Okay, let's go to the electrical now.
My name is Jake and I'm easily distracted by red things.
Oh, I know I'm not an electrical, but they have flannel. I don't have a single flannel shirt. Isn't that crazy?
I'm just gonna put it out there, if you buy one, somebody in the house, inevitably, whether it myself or a crotch goblin, will steal it.
Look, single color hat. I know you were, but
They
they
have
got.
really weird two-color choices for hats.
I like them. And I'll
Well,
tell
you're
you,
allowed to. Art is subjective.
these pants are very nice. Air filters for their Vex, which is interesting. Oh, okay. This nice 2-pack is going to give you a wet and a dry. Lots of attachments. They don't have the big vacuum cleaner here. I sort of want the big vacuum cleaner. I need to do some vacuuming. Lots of kids. Okay, now that we've seen the DXL and Milwaukee's clothing operations.
You think maybe we can move on
I
to
said
electrical?
operations, you know, plaid. Let's go to electrical.
We finally made it to electrical. It only took
We
6
did.
days and 3 detours.
And the thing is, you know, I posted a quick, like a YouTube short and like a couple other things showing that like there's a lot of good Milwaukee stuff. So this wasn't always here. People were like, oh, it's always been there. No, so with Klein, right, and a couple of the other brands being bigger at the Home Depots for a while, they weren't over here as much. And other stores didn't have it. So like where we were in St. Pete, their electrical system was but over here in Holiday, electrical department. But as we pointed out in the other tool aisle, if you get any of these new Shockwave cases, are they even calling them Shockwave anymore? Some places they are. So this one's a micro bit set. It's got security and all that other stuff. This case is the perfect thickness to fit inside of a PACKOUT. And you can have the cover on it, or you can flip these covers all the way around to the back side, or you can just take them off. But these fit right into PACKOUTs, and you can see them through the PACKOUT lid. So this little set will fit down inside your PACKOUT. I don't know. I think we should just 3D print a thing to put this in. But
And it'll all be cohesive.
it
and
will be
look
all
nice.
cohesive. Look at the amount of electrical stuff. I'm just saying. There's a really good chance I have a set of these at home that I haven't opened. So we're going to move on. I think that's mainly it, right? There was nothing else we had to do here.
Just
So,
look at plants.
Okay, let's go ahead and let's go. Well, that was a fun trip. So, you know, great deals. There's definitely Christmas stuff out. And I've reached the exit. Where?
Let's go.
No, the exit. The
Plants.
sausage lady is.
You said plants.
Sausage lady's over
I
there.
have a Monstera wall to build.
Oh, she smacked me. But the sausage lady's truck is out
I will
there.
get you a sausage after we look at plants. I have a Monstera wall to build, which
She has a plant wall to build, which means we have to get plant stuff. But you guys can get to Home Depot and get some great sales. And I have to, well, hit upload and get to work. So you guys have a great day. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.